Hey guys, today I'm going to show you to get modded version of Criminal Case for iOS and Android. So this gives you unlimited resources. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So to download it, you just want to go to this site. It's called hexmods.com. They have tons of modded apps. So once you're here, guys, just go and type in Criminal Case, and there it is. And we're just going to press on it and then begin our download. Now before it downloads, you will have to do a verification. So what this means is you have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're free and they're from the official app store. So let's just wait for this to download. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Alright, so as you can see, it says right here, complete 2 free apps to finish installing mod. So as you can see, it shows 4 apps, so you just gotta pick 2 of them. It doesn't matter which ones, but make sure you read the instructions, because like some apps are going to be like down and run for 30 seconds, and then some of them you have to reach like level 10 on them, so make sure you do that so you can see like the specific instructions. And also they have this thing that says check completion, so it's actively looking to make sure you did it. But it's worth it, guys, because it's a one-time process, and once you do it, you get your Criminal Case modded version, guys, with unlimited resources. So that is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get Criminal Case hack, because this is super cool and it fully works. So yeah, I'm not really someone that dabbles in this. I had to make a video on this one because it actually works and is super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, try out this Criminal Case hack for 2025. Super wild, and it's fully updated. So see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel. It's super insane, guys. Totally works. So if you're interested in Criminal Case hacks, this is the best hack, guys, that they make. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and everything. See you guys later, and peace out, bro.